Hello friends, welcome to Snigdha's Kingdom. Today I am going to prepare authentic Bengali dish and that is called in Bengali as kacha lonka kalo jire diye ilish beguner jhol. So it's basically a curry made of brinjal and famous Bengali fish, that is hilsa fish. So I will quickly show you the ingredients. Very less ingredients are used to prepare this because the fish itself is having its own distinctive flavor. So I will show you the ingredients. Here I am using 2 potatoes, medium size, and I have cut into this thin long shaped like this way. 2 small size tomatoes, 3 green chilies, brinjals. I have also cut them into long pieces. You can see this is the hilsa fish. In Bengali it is known as ilish mach. So this one I have marinated with salt and turmeric for around half an hour. Then we require black fennel seed or black cumin seed or kalonji, kalo jire, whatever you call. Oil you can use anyone. I am going to use here mustard oil, salt according to taste, and turmeric powder. So I will start the process first with frying the fish. So friends, I have on the gas and I have taken a non-stick kadhai and I have put around 3 tablespoons of oil. The fish itself has a lot of oil, so I'm using here 3 tablespoons and we'll wait for it to get heated up. So friends, my oil has been heated up. You can see the smoke coming out. Now I will add the fish one by one. More fish can be accommodated, so I am adding the rest fish aside it. This fish is full of eggs, as you can see. So it will add great taste to the curry. Yeah, so I put all the fish now and will let it cook on one side for around 3 minutes. Then I will again turn the fish for another 3 minutes. I'll show you. So friends, it has been around 4 minutes. I'll be turning the fish now. It has been fried lovely. It is looking lovely and the smell is awesome. So I will slowly turn the fish. And I will cook it for another 3 minutes. So friends, it has been 3 minutes and now I will take out the fish slowly. The fish has its own distinctive aroma and it's like food for soul for the Bong people. the same oil, I will be giving the green chili. And next I will give the kalonji or the black cumin seed. And then I will start with the potatoes. So friends, it has been around 2 minutes. Now I will give the brinjals. And I will give it a stir. And will also give little amount of salt. And about 1 tablespoon of turmeric. And I will also give the tomatoes. And I will roast this all veggies for around 6 to 7 minutes. So all the vegetables will be nicely cooked. And I will cover it. Friends, it has been 5 minutes. And you can see the tomatoes have started becoming soft. I will smash the tomatoes so the flavor of the tomato can come into the gravy. Give it a stir, slow stir, and take care the brinjals are soft, so stir slowly. And I will cover it again. So friends, it has been around 6 minutes. I will open, and now I will give water. We don't need to roast too much because it's a light gravy curry with the hilsa fish, so I won't roast too much. So after roasting for around 6 minutes, I will give the water. And will give little amount of turmeric. In Indian food we use a lot of turmeric powder, and turmeric is antibacterial, antifungal and very good for health. It will boost your immunity. So we use a lot of turmeric powder both for health and color and flavor. So I will give it a stir. And now you can see the vibrant yellow color and red color of the tomato, looking beautiful and smelling awesome. So I will let it cooked for another 4 minutes, then I will give the fish. And after 4 minutes I'll be checking the salt, and that time I'll adjust accordingly, and I will also give the fish. Friends, I will also give the green chilies, which I forgot to give. So I'll give the green chilies at this stage. While frying, when I started cooking, I have given 1 green chili. I have smashed, I've shown you before, and 2 more green chilies now. So friends, it has been around 5 minutes. Now I will open. You can check for the salt at this time and adjust accordingly. And now I will give the fish one by one into this nicely prepared gravy. The gravy is very light, with cooked with very less oil and very light. You got to keep the gravy very light so that the taste of the fish is more dominant or prominent in the curry. So now I will give the fish one by one slowly into the gravy. So friends, I have given all the fish, and now I will once again cover it and cook it for another 3 minutes, and then our fish curry will be ready. All the gravy will be, and all the spices will be nicely absorbed in the fish, and also the flavor of the fish will also get into the gravy. So we'll cook it in low flame for more around 3 minutes. So friends, it has been 3 minutes, and now I will off the gas. My gravy is ready. So friends, if you like my recipes, my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can come up with more exciting recipes. Okay, take care. Bye bye.